Hi, Diego here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reuse templates for the generator and where your meal plans go. So if you click here, you can access the meal plan generator. This allows you to generate meal plans, and you can specify all sorts of options. So you see here there are many filters and many parameters you can use. So you may actually spend some time setting all of these. You can change the time it takes to cook. You can go through this list and exclude very specifically which ingredients you want to remove. So let's say I have this template here and I've made some changes, and I'm gonna say this is pescatarian diet without cheese or milk. So specific is a client that has perhaps this intolerance to milk. So I could also say no lactose. No lactose and no dairy. So once you've set up your parameters, you can click here to generate a plan. And this is going to generate options that you can choose for the client that meet the requirements. So let's say I just choose these 4 meals. And now I'm going to choose a client to assign it to. And I'm going to press next, 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 create. So once you've done this, the meal plan is created, and you are now in the meal plan editing screen. So in here, you can make any changes you want. You can click and rename, change quantities, remove foods. You can click here and search and add other foods. So this is the whole meal plan editor. We have another video on how to edit meal plans and what all the options are. So I'll link to that. And this is how you can edit the plan, and when you're ready, you can click here to download it. And it's gonna load, and you also have the macros section, micros, all the meal plan editing functionalities. Now, how do we go back to this meal plan or to the generator template we just used in the future? So the thing is, we have this section here called meal plans. So if you click here, this is gonna show all of the meal plans you've created over time. So this includes this meal plan I've just generated now, pescatarian diet without cheese or milk, assigned to example client. You can also click on the clients, there's many ways to access it. You can click here in my clients, example client, and if I go to the meal plans tab, it has all the meal plans I've created over time. I have a lot of them, including this one, and I can view it here. So you can either find the client that you assign the meal plan to, or go to the meal plan section and find the meal plan. That's how you find it, and you can edit it, and all of your meal plans will be listed there. Then alternatively, if I wanted to generate another pescatarian meal plan like the one I've just made with the same settings, I can click here in meal plan generator and go to the history tab. So this history tab shows a history of all the meal plans you've generated using the generator. And I see that I have here my pescatarian diet without cheese or milk. So I can click here and I can edit this, or I can just keep it as it is with these excluded ingredients and generate again. So this is useful if you have a particular type of diet with some parameters that you use often. You can spend some time setting up with as much detail as needed all the ingredients you want to exclude one by one, all the advanced options, cuisine, etc. And you just should give it a name that is useful to identify later. And then by using this history tab, you can access it anytime you need and generate again. So hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.